Welcome back to the channel. Have another review. Had a company wanted me to use their product, and I'm all about, when it comes to guns, TECHHUNTERS has sent Scope Mount. This is for an AR platform. And I absolutely needed this because I bought my wife an AR and she got my scope and my mount. So I just put a Romeo 5 on it just so I'd have something. I'm going to put another scope on it, and it's going to be with these. And the other set of rings they sent is going to go on one of my rifles, and we'll go through that, video it, and it's a low profile. It's exactly what I need. Get a scope down close to the barrel, and this more than likely will probably go on my /6, this set of rings. So stay tuned. Okay, like I said, on the AR platform with these scope rings, I'm going to go back to a scope, and I'm going to use the TECHHUNTERS. It is very well made, and like I said, I was going to take my Romeo 5 off. I may put it off to the side, but I'm going to go back to a optic on top. Comes with the Torx wrench, and it is absolutely designed for professional. I mean, you can tell it is fantastic. We'll just see how good it shoulders up. That's nice. The clamps are together, made as one instead of being individual on each side. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, Romeo. Let's see if we got the right tool for that. Okay, we'll put that down here. Now I'll only use their wrench to loosen these rings. When we go back together, we'll torque them with the old fat wrench. That way it is perfectly torqued in. Let's see here. And we'll torque these. What I like about it, it actually tells you on the rings what the torque is. The mount, 65 inch-pounds. And the rings, 25 inch-pounds. So that way they're perfect. Now the other rings basically will mount just like this. No need in making you suffer two setups, but we will get this one set up level. tell you what, 65 is as high as it goes. There it is. Okay. We'll turn this back around. .65 inch pound. Okay, that part's done. For my SIG, I do have a SIG. That I'm going to put on it. I need to see how my eye relief is going to look on that. Right there. Oh boy, that is a 1-inch tube against, I bet you that's a 30 mil also. It is. I'm not going to be able to put my whiskey sour on there. Well, darn. It is AR platform. That's what it is made for. Anyway, you take the fat wrench, and if that was a proper scope, I don't have yet, but I will. I thought for sure that would go on that AR, but you adjust this to the 25 inch pounds and do the same torque as I did on the side of it. And when you do that, I have other tools that I use when I put a scope on. I make sure that my scope is level, but make sure your gun's level first. And with the right scope, since the gun's level, you level your scope. That way it's in line with the gun. Let me see if I can show you that. That is level. It's a little bit off, but you'll see what I'm talking about. And the gun's level. So those are the things you got to do with the proper scope. I do not have, but this right here is exactly how you mount that. So thank you for tuning in. I love these mounts. They are wide, got a wide footprint on them, and I don't think you'll have any scope issues using these. You'll be happy with them if you buy them.